I like to have it off, right? As sort of, thanks. Yeah, why not? Yeah, let's cheer the idea of sex.
Russell Brand is recently all over the newspapers, and I'm getting messages constantly, people saying, oh my gosh, have you seen this about Russell Brand? Can you believe that he's a rapist? Can you believe he's a sex offender? Here's the thing. Right now, Russell Brand is innocent. And I personally think that it is an orchestrated attack on his character to try to smear his name, because probably he's saying stuff on his own platform which is affecting and hurting extremely powerful people. This is so obvious. This happens time and time again. How many people do you see that speak up against the establishment? The first thing they do is they will brand you as a conspiracist, or they'll say, oh, this person's crazy. Kanye West is crazy. Russell Brand, they branded him a conspiracist. But then if you continue going, then it'll be okay. Let's find some dirt. Let's try and, if we can't find any dirt, let's just make some stuff up. Allegedly, Russell Brand did this. If you put the word allegedly before something, in my mind, I'll just ignore the rest of the sentence. Allegedly, what according to who? Literally, a man on the street could say, Samuel Leeds is a murderer. And then, allegedly, I'm a murderer because one person said it anonymously. So Russell Brand has got a whole bunch of people anonymously saying that he raped them, that he's sexually assaulted them, all kinds of stuff. And as a result of that, now his name is absolute mud, and he's really going through it. And I personally think that it's wrong. So I'm going to watch the short video that Channel 4 have just put up. I'm going to react to it, give my opinion on it, and then I'm going to be speaking about why I believe strongly that Russell Brand is actually innocent. So let's watch this.
I like to have it off, right? As sort of...
Straight away within the first few seconds, this guy's a stand-up comedy, right? A stand-up comedian. He's probably done thousands of hours worth of content. They've searched through all of his content and tried to find stuff where he was talking about sex, which might be, a little bit creepy. He might have said some things that out of context don't look great, and put eerie music over the top. This is clearly a character assassination on the guy. I can tell straight away from 5 seconds in.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, let's cheer the idea of sex.
Sex, the love of it, the dogged, unashamed pursuit of it, Russell Brand's thing.
This is stuff that he said years ago, and at the time was protected. When he was working for Channel 4 and the BBC and he was on the TV, no problem. Now he's got his own media channel platform, and he's talking about the World Economic Forum, and he's talking about the banks, he's talking about the hypocrisy of the system. Suddenly it's like, oh my gosh, can you believe he said this? Where were you at the time?
Now tonight, offstage, it sees him accused of rape, sexual assault, controlling and abusive behaviour.
Kind of skipped over the word accused there. Now it's seen him accused of rape and control and...
Uncovered in a major investigation by Channel 4 Dispatches, The Times and The Sunday Times.
And that's the other thing. People think that, recently people said about me, you're in the Sun. Oh, the Sun is scum. We hate the Sun. People don't realise that all the media outlets are controlled by the same people anyway. So they're all, everything's orchestrated.
My underwear, pulling it to the side. I'm telling him to get off me, and he won't get off. Like holding me up against the wall, pushing himself in me.
It's based on the testimony of 5 women who agreed to share their stories. Actors have been used in some cases, and in others, voices have been changed.
Here's what I want to know. The 5 people right now, out of the, Russell Brand has got millions of followers. And out of those followers, there's going to be some of them that just don't like him anyway. Those 5 people that are now saying that he sexually assaulted them or raped them, I want to know, number 1, why are they speaking out now at the same time? Why are they speaking out anonymously? Why are the people actors? And most importantly, why did they not go to the police at the time? And maybe they'll say, I was too scared to go to the police at the time. I didn't want to. All right, fine. But why now, a decade later, when you want to speak out and you feel comfortable speaking out, why now are you not going to the police? Why are you going to the media? And most importantly, this is what I want to know is, were they paid £20,000 to come and speak out? And if so, who paid them? These are the questions that I think we need to be demanding answers for right now.
Alice was just 16 in 2006 when she first met Russell Brand.
Russell Brand is saying that he's completely innocent, and it's absolutely untrue. Anonymous people who are being voice actors and are saying that he's guilty. So, okay, let's just let it go to court. Report it to the police, let it go to court. This is absolutely wrong. The law of the land is that you are innocent until proven guilty, which means that if Russell Brand is a rapist, then before we can judge and say he's a rapist, he needs to be seen by a judge, and there needs to be proof and evidence that he is in fact a rapist. Until that happens, the media saying he's allegedly a rapist and talking about him and putting eerie music and completely assassinating his character is completely unethical and wrong. We've seen this happen time and time again. I mean, look at Cliff Richard, who was accused of being a rapist. Took years before his name was cleared, and by the time your name is cleared, it's irrelevant anyway. I personally think that Russell Brand is probably saying things that are upsetting people who are in positions of power who have just decided, right, let's just ruin him. Let's ruin his reputation.
The allegations are from the early noughties until 2013.
I wonder what Russell Brand has said that's upset some people. Let's see Russell Brand's YouTube channel and have a look at his most popular videos. Let's see what is upsetting people so much. Okay, vaccine passports. This is where it leads. We've been lied to about why the Ukrainian war began. Another one of his videos. War is profitable. This is how. Okay, maybe that's the reason that they're going after him. Maybe, just maybe. Another video about COVID. They're lying to you. If science caused COVID, what's next? Trump was right about Clinton and Russia collision. They're not going to like that. Oh, here's the big one. 2.7 million views. You will own nothing and you will be happy. The Great Reset. World Economic Forum video. The Great Reset. Bill Gates and farming. What's going on? Trump. Right, okay. The world's gone nuts. Russell Brand. The truth. I mean, the media are like, no, you can't talk about Trump. We want to talk about Trump. And we all say what we've been told and paid to say. His videos are getting millions of views. I can see why potentially there might be some people that might want to shut him down. What? The Great Reset is not a conspiracy, says Russell Brand. Another video 1 year ago. So this is what they've been hiding. I don't know about you, but it kind of makes me think, when I see something like this getting clearly an orchestrated attack all at once, suddenly 5 women saying he did this, over a decade later, the media ready with the stories, pens at the ready, bang, eerie music over the actors' voices, all anonymous. It makes me think, man, I want to go watch his videos some more and see what he's been saying, because clearly there's some truth in it. First, they tried to shut him down. I'm sure they've deleted a load of his YouTube videos, and I'm sure he's had a lot of strikes. They've branded him a conspiracy theorist, which is a term that was actually created by the government. Do you know that? What is a conspiracy theorist? Whenever anyone was talking against the government would just say, bang, they're a conspiracy theorist. What does it actually mean? Who really runs the world? Russell Brand. Big Pharma is selling what now? It's official, they lied. Meta is brainwashing your children at school. Misinformation is now terrorism. Was Trump right about COVID pill all along? Is there a God? Yes. This is why I think they're upset with him. So, if he's guilty or if he's innocent, I think we have to assume he's innocent unless he's been proven guilty. The media should stop talking about him. And if you're watching this and you're thinking, well, what should I do about this? What I would say is, just bear in mind that the media are all owned by the same people. Don't believe what you read in the headlines, because most of it is garbage. And it makes me personally a little bit concerned. I mean, the media have come for me and attacked me in the past. But it's just like, man, we see this time and time again. And I hope that this is the tipping point where we realize the pattern. When everyone speaks out, when everyone has their own channel, own platform, and speaks what they believe to be truth and speaks against the establishment, we see the pattern again and again. It's almost getting boring now. It's predictable. It's obviously a personality and character assassination on him. I hope he's innocent. but I believe that he is innocent until he's been proven guilty. I'm going to go watch some more of Russell Brand's videos right now. I'm going to leave some comments and show him some support. I hope you do the same thing too, and I'd love to know your comments and thoughts. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you next time.